Hello guys, how are you? In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create like this beautiful sneaker ad inside After Effects without using any 3D software or plugins. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's start the tutorial. Not only this sneaker, you can turn any 2D object into a 3D. You can make this watch 3D as well. So I will save this sneaker JPG file and go to this website 3d.union.tascent.com and translate to the English and click on the login button and just go to the mail section here. Click on the mail icon and enter your email address and get verification and login. So you will see something like this interface and translate the tab to the English, and you can upload multiple image. So you can upload front, rear, left, view, right, whatever. It will give you good result, and I will go with a single. So I will upload a single image here and just click on the generate button now. So click on the generate now, keep the same settings, and it will take some time, maybe around 7 to 10 years. So wait. So finally it will give you a very pretty result like this. So you can turn any 2D image into 3D object like this. Look at that, and it's really amazing render as you can see. So guys, now we will download this file. So you can download any format whatever you want. So I will download GLV format to import in After Effects. So download this file. Now guys, we will go to the polyheaven.com. So we have to download the EXR file for the lighting shadow. So keep in mind it should be EXR file. You can download any format you want and just download button. Go back to the After Effects and make a new composition. Name it main. Size will be 92x1080 and frame rate 30 fps. I will make that 10-second duration. Go to the 3D render and make the render advanced 3D, and you will see this feature inside latest After Effects. So update your After Effects if you don't see like this options. Now import your sneaker.glb file into the After Effects and import into the timeline. Just drag and drop with the timeline and you will see something like this pop up. So click on OK. Now press R. So we have to rotate the X value, or rotation X. So go to the starting and add a keyframe, X keyframe, and make the keyframe rotation around 3. So it will rotate 3 times, something like this you can see. Now I will go to the around 1 second and add a proportional grid. So click on this icon, add proportional grid. After that you need to create a null object. So just right click and add a null object. Click on the null object and name it sneaker controller. Okay, so make this layer 3D. So click on it to make 3D and make sneaker parent to the sneaker controller like this. Now I select this sneaker.glb file and move to the left side, something like this. So it should be near to the center. So make the proper distance between center and the shoes, something like this guys. Now select sneaker controller null object and make sure your anchor point in the center, and if you don't have, just select pan behind tool and make in the center, something like this. It should be center, it's really important. And select both of these layer and change the color. I will make the red and select and control it to duplicate and make it the top. Now I will change the color to yellow, something like this, and select the sneaker controller 2 and change the Z rotation value around 72. You will see something like this. Now select both of these again and control it to duplicate, and you can change the color if you want. So I will make it aqua. As again, just press R and change the Z rotation value 72 plus 72, and it will rotate something like this. Again guys, repeat the process. Control it to duplicate and change the color. Again select the sneaker controller 4 and change the Z rotation value plus 72 again. Repeat the process. Select both of these layers and control it to duplicate and move the top and change the color. So I will make it green this time, and again select sneaker control 5 and change the Z rotation plus add 72. So finally we will see something like this shows in the circle, And guys, don't forget to save your file. All right, now you will see something like beautiful sneaker rotation and it's looking really good. After that we will add the camera. So guys, right click and add a camera here, and we will add a preset 50mm lens and hit OK. So we will add a null object to make camera controller. So right click, new null object, and name it camera controller. And guys, make it 3D as well. Okay, so select the camera and make parent to the camera controller null object. Now guys, press P and change the Z value like this. Decrease the Z value so that we can see our sneaker in the center properly without cropping the sneaker. So I will decrease the Z axis. Now our sneaker circle in the center properly, and you can see this animation is looking very nice. Now we will remove this grid. So click on this icon and disable the proportional grid. After that we will make the wheel rotation. Press R, go to the starting, and we will play with the Z rotation. So add a keyframe in the starting, Z rotation keyframe in the starting, and go to the end and make the Z rotation 1. So it will rotate one time in 10 seconds, and it's looking really amazing now. Now we will add background. So right click and add a black solid. So name it background and hit OK and drag it up into the bottom like this and lock the layer. Okay, we will make the background glowing circle. So select this ellipse tool, press Q to make this circle. So make this circle in the center like this, and guys, make sure anchor point in the center. So select the layer and select the pan behind tool and press Ctrl and double click on it. It will be automatic in the center. Now make proper center line top to bottom. It's properly center line now. Now right click and decompose it. Click on this, move all attributes and name it glowing circle. Now guys, we will apply some effects. So go to the effect and preset panel and type glow and apply onto the layer, glowing circle layer, and change the glowing threshold value to 0 and glowing radius 447 and glowing intensity 2 and composite original make it none. Now glowing operation make it none. Glow colors make it ability map and change the color loop to 30.5. So as you can see, there is a static background, not any motion, so we'll add some motion. So hold Alt on the color page, hold Alt and click on it to add expression. So I will type time hashtag 50. All right, now as you can see this motion. Now drag and drop this glowing circle layer under the all sneakers above the background and increase the glowing circle scale value to something like this, and I will make it around 201. And as you can see, this background is looking really nice. So now we will add some lighting effects. So go to the project and now we will add a lighting. So right click, new, a light, select environment light type environment, and click on this cast shadow for the shadow and hit OK. Now guys, we will import our EXR file which I have downloaded from Polyheaven. So import into the After Effects. Now drag and drop into the timeline and you will see something like this. Now select light and expand it and select a source and make the source to our EXR file. Now you will see something like this darkness. So increase the intensity value. So I will increase like this, and you can increase the intensity value according to you. So I feel it's still darker, so I will increase it a little bit more. Now press R and play with the X rotation, and if you see something like this bad shadow and you want to disable it, just expand the light option and disable cast shadow if you want, but I will keep it on. So and I will play with the X rotation like this, and I will change the Y rotation as well to make it proper reflection on the sneakers. Now I feel it's looking good to me, and I will shrink it. Now proper lighting and shadow apply in the all sneakers. So move to the next step. But before that, don't forget to save your file. Now guys, play the animation and it's looking really nice. And if you want to export your video from here, then you can render. Otherwise, we are going to change the background color. All right, so we are going to add some adjustment layer. So right click and add an adjustment layer. So guys, now go to the preset panel and add a curve. Apply the curve on the adjustment layer and expand the curve like this. Now select the glowing circle pre-composition. Now we will add some color in the background. Go to the effect and preset panel and type tint and apply onto the glowing circle. And I will use the color picker tool to pick the color from this sneaker. So I will make this something like this darker red, and I will make it little bit more darker. Now hit OK. Now we will make some color change effect. So select this adjustment layer and just go to the preset panel and type hue and saturation and apply onto the adjustment layer. Now guys, go to the starting and add a color range keyframe here and go to the and change the master hue value to 1. Now guys, play the animation. And this project is done. And if you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Feel free to ask anything regarding this video in the comment box. Meet you in the next video with like these amazing tutorials. So bye bye, take care.